Good morning, YouTube! Today is Saturday, August 2nd, and I am getting ready to go to the Big Latch On Maryland event, and I'm so excited. Like, I'm feeling like a little, like, really excited, but like a little nostalgic too, knowing all of the things that I went through to still be breastfeeding right now, because Carter's currently 10 months old, and we're exclusively breastfeeding, so it's really exciting. So I'm going to finish getting ready because I'm kind of running late. It's a very rainy day here in Maryland, and Carter decided of all of the days that he was going to sleep in, he chose today. So my body didn't exactly wake up, but stay tuned.
Too tight.
Hi, Tinker. Daddy says your clothes are too tight. Are they too tight?
Just loosen up in it.
Carter, are we going to go to the Big Latch On? Is Daddy getting you dressed? Dad. Yeah, is he getting you dressed? Look how cute you look. Oh, look how cute you look. You gonna hit Daddy with your capital shoe?
Put it back in there. Put it
Get
in
in
there.
there. You can do it.
Let go.
Carter, you ready to go? You ready to go bye-byes? Are you ready to go bye-byes? Can't drive down the road and not be blasting Demi with these girls in the car. That's the way we like to do it. That's the way we like. Sing it, Shay. So we are here at Montpelier Farms for the Latch On event. Check out this guy back here. Hi. Say hi. We're walking up. We're kind of late. It's like 10 o'clock. And the actual latch is at 10:30. But look at this place. Look. It's so huge and pretty. But whew, this walk is killing me.
5, 3, 2, 1. When your hands are up, please start counting. Raise your hands up.
No, worst day ever. We're still latched. We pretty much do anything for you. I even waited until then. What'd you get for me? Come on, Penny. I know the lights are right. Are you ready?
All right, it's 10:31.
I don't know. Oh, look it.
I don't want to touch you.
Hi. Hi, you little funny head. Hi. Hi. Hello. Carter, look at that.
Are they soft?
Ooh.
I don't know about them, but I know llamas spit at you. If you look at them too long and they don't like you, they'll spit at you.
Oh, hi. You want to touch him, Carter?
It doesn't like you to touch it, but I'd rather touch you.
You gonna get it? Hey, you don't eat the tree. Hi. I don't know about you getting in my face. Yeah, Shay is so silly. She is.
You don't want to go out there? It's really fun. My best friend and I did that.
Just
Playground! Playground! See the cars?
Being ghost, you gain, you say the Freedom Hill horse rescue, and the girls are gonna do this equine thing. It should be interesting. We will see. Hopefully I can get some video of them like riding or doing something. I don't know. But they are volunteering. Oh, you rescuing. Oh, you rescuing. Huh. Teenagers.
Watching her eat, huh? Her horses just love something about little girls and horses. What about your legs? Were they tired too?
No, but mine were. Mom.
I didn't know you were standing right. Please don't.
I have a baby horse that's real. She's a pony, and she always starts. Well, she never wants to eat. She always drinks She only eats apples, and she always goes outside with me.
He's not here. He might want to sorry. Good job.
Nope, you're okay. I was trying to.
Does that eye itch?
Does her eye itch?
Yeah. No. That horse itch.
Why do you think her eye itches?
Pink.
It's a little pink. Well, she is what we call an Appaloosa. And Appaloosas, you can see the white part of their eye. And so because we can see the white part of the eye, it looks like it's itchy, but it's just like if I were to pull my eyelid down, it's pink under there. Same kind of thing.
Okay. Can you see it? Can you touch it? Can you touch it?
She's 11, and Dawn is 6, and Hannah is 5.
Nice. Nice horses.
Willing to just be obedient. I'll say, okay, Dawn, that was good. Now. And so that is one way that we can establish our leadership, is by telling the horse what we want them to do and say, you need to go out of my space, now you can come into my space. Because horses do that out in a herd. If I were what we call the boss mare, then I would tell the rest of the herd what they can, how they can act, what they can and cannot do. So that's an important thing. Now another thing that we can do is have the horses back out of our space, is having them actually physically back up. Now the way that we teach the horses to back up is by shaking the rope up and down. Now if she listens to a little shake, great. I may have to shake it a little bit more though if she doesn't listen, and if not, I'll have to shake it even harder. So with the horses, it's not, you learn to really have to keep your emotions in check, because they're not listening, not listening, not listening, not listening. You might start to get frustrated, but you don't want to take that out on them. You want to change what you're doing. So if I want Dawn to back up, I'm going to just shake my rope. Now she didn't move her feet, so I have to shake it harder. Now she still didn't, there you go. And so she moved her feet, so I stopped shaking. Because horses don't learn from the pressure, they learn from the release of the pressure. Good. And push down on those stirrups. Where are you going, baby? And you can stop plugging in that. We're here. Then we're going to make a very
You're going to help her find more grass?
circle into the left, the left hand comes out.
you just pull it out. Not really pull back, but pull out.
With English, you usually like pull their head, but neck reining you don't.
She's
And
neck
we're going to
reining right now.
go to the right. So right hand out.
Most working horses.
Oh, Carter, Aaron.
Good. Right hand out. Hands down. Don't pull back. Here. Hug with your legs. Hug, 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 hug. There you go. And now we're going to go circle the white. Legs, and we're going to walk this way. And we're going to big hands together.
Shay, can you come? Carter, what are you doing? Are you crawling in the grass? Dada? Dada? Are you gonna have grass stains all over your clothes? Huh? Look at your shirt all dirty. Yeah? What? Hi, cute boy. Hey, Carter. Hi, buddy. Now you're getting to the concrete. Say, we've had a very long day. This guy needs a bath. Look, you got dirt on me. He needs a bath. Say hi. Hi. So I'm going to end the vlog for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for VEDA Day 4. See you later. Bye.